Hello everyone and good morning. This is Patty's Hobby World. I finished this page last night and I'm not happy with it. It started out right. Oh wait, hold on, let me get my coffee. I hope you got what you're drinking. It started out good, but remember I told you I wanted to attempt to do a background. So I did this in marker, so we'll never do marker again because it just doesn't, you want a seamless transition between the colors. Now the idea was good. It would have worked out really nice, but the medium. So next time I do that, I will do pencil. But the idea was good. This turned out well. I like the green. And what I was thinking about doing, which I should have done, was kept these pillars, these markings here, white, and did them in like gold, and then the markings in like a neon, and made it like a mystical. And here she comes. She needs to invoke all of these markings, and they would have turned like a nice yellow gold. I would have done like a yellow gold right here. I thought about that after I did this, so maybe I'll do this again and make justice to it, and do the markings in gold, like a gold band, and she's invoking the mystical incantations to be able to open this door. So maybe for those who haven't colored this page yet, there's a good inspiration to do that. So I probably will do it. I'll try. But on to the next book. So I didn't want to stay too much longer on this one. I like everything except the background, of course. The three heads I could have done much better, but I was lost. I wasn't sure how I was going to work it. So I just made them gray and just highlighted things like that. Like I said, this is a work in progress. Hopefully you'll get some good ideas out and avoid some of the bad ones. But I mean, I guess I can get a C, right? C plus maybe? Okay, a D. So there you have it. All right. So I'll post it. This is all learning. This is tutorial, demonstration, how to. It inspires you. It teaches you. And like I said, if the incantations, turn those into gold. That would have been really nice. Let me see if I can scroll in without. Okay, so I won't get the zoom this time. So let's zoom back out. Yeah, but do these in gold. Do a bronzy gold and then do a neon for the incantations. All right, so thank you so much. We're going to get started on our next page. Thank you for subscribing and liking. And stay inspired. Color, color, color. Thank you.